Okay, today is Monday, May 19th. This is going to be day 6, was Friday, and day 7, which would be today on Monday. So, still got some rock on here to stiffen this up when it was muddy. Plan is to bring this out, cut that off a little bit to help us with a right-hand turn out of our driveway here, which right now is pretty steep for a car. They've been working on the septic, getting close to partial inspection. Here we had 6 truckloads, I don't know how many tons that is, but of sand brought in for the septic. Here's the stub outs that we're going to use going up to the foundation. There, 2 clean outs, so they're going to be up so high that we put in the, instead of the T clean outs, we put in the ascending ones. This will be up about this high probably, so easier for a snake to go in and snake if it needs to. They've buried all that. Same there, they're getting ready. Septic is pretty much backfilled in now. Here's the wires for the pump when we get the electrician here. Looks like they got the permit right there on the septic, awaiting inspection. They have the line from the septic going into the leach field. You can see the 3 rows of infiltrators now that I know the name of them. So we have 3 rows of infiltrators coming out. Clean outs on the ends, each ends, with access. So underneath this is 3 feet of that sand. And these will be, looks like they might be ready for inspection once they come in and county comes in, inspects and approves this. You can see kind of the 3 feet of sand there at the end. Once this is approved, we will backfill this. Partial inspection would be complete. Septic is this part of it will be completed until we connect into the house, and we will begin to start using some of these rocks and begin creating the pad. So the end of day 7, about a week, they've come in, they've cut in this road on top here. They've dug out and completed and get ready for septic inspection, partial inspection in about 7 days. It's pretty impressive. Very well done. We're excited. Can't wait. Alrighty. Storm over there by Pikes Peak. Hope you have a great day.